So we are here in Timisoara. This is our last stop on our journey through Romania.
Yeah, we only got 2 days left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gone by so fast. We've been here for 2 months.
We've had a lot of suggestions on where we should go and what we should see while we've been here. And that is so incredibly helpful for us because I'm sure we would have missed something along the way.
We're definitely going to come back.
Yeah.
There's so much more to see. So this is the Orthodox Cathedral. It is very beautiful inside. There was a service going on while we were inside there. And it is the second tallest cathedral in Romania.
There are multiple squares here in Timișoara. This is one of them. We're not even to the big one yet. So there's about 4, I believe. And the big one is Union Square. That's where we're heading right now.
All right, now we are in big square. It's called Union Square here. The buildings here are so pretty. One of the things that we have noticed is they're all like different colors, but they're really pretty like pastel colors. And
They look like ice cream to me.
He has ice cream on the mind because it's really hot. But the architecture and everything is absolutely beautiful. Some of the buildings are covered right now. There's some just I don't know,
doing some
renovation.
renovations.
Yeah.
Okay, now as you can see, it's not even noon yet. We did 2 things to prepare for the heat of today. First thing we did, we stocked our refrigerator, our mini fridge back at the hotel with cold beverages, so I'm looking forward to that. I also got a haircut yesterday, if you haven't already noticed.
I feel like a new man.
I feel like a new man. I feel like about 10, 15 years younger. If you need a haircut and you're coming to Timișoara, come to this place here. The Hair Hood. They do a fine job. I mean, look.
You're just excited because they gave you a beer.
I did get a beer right when I walked in. The beer's in the house. The first drink's on the house. They charge you one way or the other.
What'd you get?
We got a cookie.
What kind of cookie?
Cranberry raisin cookie.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice little snack.
Cookie.
It's a cookie. So behind us is I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but the Bega River. And this is a really important kind of waterway here in Timisoara because sometime in 2023.
Yeah,
right?
late 2023. They built this. It's 113 kilometers long.
115 kilometers, I believe, yeah.
long, and it connects Romania and Serbia for shipping canal.
Yeah, and passenger. So,
Yeah.
I mean, that's going to be a really huge benefit. So, yeah, so important little river right here.
We thought Oradea had some nice green space and parks with fountains, but I think Timișoara might have them beat. A lot of parks, a lot of green space, very well maintained.
Very well maintained.
Yeah. And it's hot out, so we get some shade.
How hot is it supposed to be today?
It's supposed to be 101 today, and I got a black shirt on because it's the only clean shirt I had.
So typically when we travel, we pretty much 90% of the time are in Airbnbs, but this time we decided to go with a hotel and we're staying at the Ibis, I think that's how it's called, Ibis Hotel. So
That was a good call.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's right near the city center. It was really affordable. The rooms are nothing special, they're pretty tiny, but what does it have that we really like?
The downstairs space is fantastic.
Yes, it has AC. So.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the tap beer.
Yes, it also has tap beer that you can get
But the
downstairs
AC
in a
is cool
restaurant.
as well.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what time is it?
It's 9:30, and it's cooled down substantially. It's gone from 101 to 90 degrees, so now we're real comfortable.
Really comfortable.
It's muddy. This is not a dry heat. It's moist.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. So we went and had some dinner, totally non-traditional Romanian food, but we have been in Romania for 2 months
Yeah.
now, so we deserve it. Went for some
We
Thai
had
food. It
some
was
Thai
great.
food.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah.
This town is an absolutely beautiful town. We've loved our time here in
Yeah,
Romania.
it's been fantastic.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in Romania and you haven't seen any of our other videos before, we got a bunch of them on Romania. Check them out. We really appreciate it. All right. Cheers.
Cheers.